Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So I'll give you a quick tour on our condominium project here in Mandaluyong. So ito siya. This is actually a 80 square, 1 bedroom na condominium. So we did a major works here. Ceiling, floors, walls, cabinetry, and all built-ins. So lahat yan under the major works. So simulan natin sa entrance. Punta tayo doon. Kung makikita nyo, ang color scheme natin is on a gray na shades of gray. So meron tayong light gray, dark gray, bluish gray. Then yung mga accent natin is on a matte black finish. So punta tayo sa main entrance. Open tayo. So sa main entrance, ang ginawa namin, we have a huge column here. So binalutan ko siya ng mirror para ma-eliminate visually yung pagka-heavy ng column. So kung mapapansin mo, pag entrance mo, medyo maluwag. Okay? Maluwag siya. Tapos, dito naman sa side na to, painted into gray. Tapos, actually, cement gray finish yung wall on a flat para yung imperfections ng wall hindi makita kapag flat. So, pinalitan natin yung switches. The switches is in dark gray finish. Tapos, naglagay tayo ng keycard yung ginagamit sa mga hotel. So, this will help kapag nagmamadali ka and you do not have enough time to shut down all the switches. Just take it off. Then, pagpapasok ka, lagay mo. So, iilaw lahat yan. Okay? So, pagpasok mo, upon entry, nandito yung dalawang cabinets natin. So, two customized cabinets. So, ang finish ko is in mirror finish. Mirror finish kasi gusto ko visually magkaroon ng illusion na hindi masikip. It will reflect light, it will reflect images, pero hindi siya clear. So, para ma-maintain yung pagka-elegance and sophisticated nung cabinet. So, in-install natin siya ng mga shelves, movable shelves. So, para marami kang storage na mailagay. And then, naglagay tayo ng LED strip light. So, hinaus natin siya. Then, using a sensor light para mamatay siya in a minute. Ayan. So, ayan. Since mabigat yung ating mga glass, to make it easier para i-close, nag-install tayo ng mga hydraulic na mga hinges. So, same here, dito sa area na to. So, lots of shelves. So, madami yan. So, yan. So, yan. So, madami. Ayun, madami pa. Yeah, boy. Yan, madami. So, marami tayong shelves. So, movable yan. Depende dun sa mga gusto mo ilagay. Adjustable. Yan. So, close muna natin. Alright. So, sa table naman, ang ginamit natin is a marble finish. So, accent natin to. Kung makikita nyo, yung paa nito is maganda. Made of huge metal. So, ito pa lang accent na. Tapos matte black finish siya. Tapos, pinartneran natin ng mga armchair na leather finish. Tapos, if you need to extend the ball, yung table natin, pwede siyang maging 4'8". Yan. So, adjust mo to. Adjust mo rin yung kabila. Dagdag ka ng seats. So, you have 8-seater na table. Alright? So, we're still waiting para sa drop light. So, ikakabit yan. Ikakabit yan dito. Tapos, artwork dito. Yan. Something elemental. Yan. So, parallel sa living area natin is our living area. So, what we did, naglagay tayo ng sectional sofa. Yan. So, sectional sofa, good for watching TV, movies, tas pwede ring mahiga since malaki yung space. Yun nga pala, the floor natin are ceramic tiles, cement finish, matte finish, kakulay, ka-color scheme ng walls natin which is a parang Eureka of Davids. Okay? So, cupboards, we created our cupboards. So, design and customize. Yan, we install hydraulics then. Yan. And then, same sa baba. So, pull down, we have metal grommets here for wires. Pero as of the moment, naka-built-in yung wires ng TV and mga cables. So, dito siya mapupunta sa ilalim. So, pagbukas mo dyan, nandiyan lahat ng wires. Yan. Tapos, naka-speaker fabric to access all the Bluetooth infrareds underneath. Ngayon, install tayo dito ng mga lights, pin lights, and lights. Ayan. So, mood lighting para sa ating cupboard. Ayan. So, kung mag-view ka mula dito sa sofa, so, malinis yung yung makikita mo. Okay, so, sara natin yan. And buksan natin yung ating cove light. So, yun yung cove light natin. So, waiting pa tayo sa ating pendant lamp, parating pa lang. But basically, it's an accent lamp na matte finish. For the bathroom naman, so the bathroom, we made it simple. We made it parang cement finish din. So we want the space na maluwag. So we installed mirror. This is a 15 kilogram mirror, medyo mabigat. Tapos lighted siya. Then we fabricated our lavatory countertop. Then we install matte black para terno-terno lahat. Together with our matte black shower enclosure. Tapos yung pin lights natin, yung housing matte black din. Matte black din yung ating bidet. And also our exhaust. So iyan yung ating We want to make it simple pero elegant. So malinis. So maglalagay pa tayo dito ng sliding shower enclosure, parating pa lang din. So, soon. Alright, so dito, pasok tayo sa bedroom. Ito yung bedroom. Ayan. For the bedroom, we installed curtains na corner. Tapos, drop tayo na ceiling. And then, pin lights. Yan. Cove lighting. We have a queen size bed. Yan. Tapos, same with terno sa ating living area, I installed a huge closet, no? So, ito, this one is also sliding, hydraulics, installed, lighted. Yan. So, naghanap ako ng mga matte black na hanger rods ka-terno. So, ayan yung design. So, very malinis lang din. Then, hydraulics din yung ating mga mga pinto. Tapos, lots of pa here. Yan. Hangers and then drawers sa ilalim. And, yan. So, dito, meron din. Yan. So, since yung space sa taas, mahirap nang abutin. So, ang ginawa ko, I installed parang touch lock para dito yung mga big items, yung mga malalaki, mga bagahe, mga malalaking boxes, pwede mo siya itago. And there are 4 panels there. So basically yon. So hinihintay pa natin yung ibang mga furnitures, appliances, yan, accessories para ma-finish. Pero so far, that's our scope is a major. So, okay guys, no? So, tapos na yung ating quick tour. I'll try to show you the after pics kapag nailagay na yung mga ibang items like yung mga pendant lamps, paintings, and accessories. But for now, if you like our channel, if you like the concept or our YouTube channel, you can actually support us by subscribing to our channel. And if you have queries, questions, inquiries, just comment down below. And you can also follow us on our social media accounts. We have Instagram and we have Facebook page. Ayun guys, maraming salamat and see you again for our next vlog. Bye-bye!